Good morning, children. Today we will learn from the Agriculture of India chapter Green Revolution in India. So, this Green Revolution was started in India in the later half of the year 1960s. At that time, the agricultural production was increased by using the high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, irrigation and improved technology. This agricultural production has shown a highest hike in the cultivation of wheat crop. Now, cropping seasons. India has two dominant cropping seasons. One is Kharif crops and the other one is Rabi crops. Now, the other crops are Zaid crops, cash crops and plantation crops. Kharif crops. The crops which grow during monsoon or Kharif season are known as Kharif crops. This has monsoon or summer crops and they are associated with the southwest monsoon. They are sown in rainy season. Ground preparation done from April to May. Seeds are sown from June to July. Harvest of seeds are done in November. Now crops are rice, millets, cotton, jute, sugarcane, sesame and groundnuts. Now Rabi crops. The crops which grow during the Rabi season, that is from November to February, is known as Rabi crops. Now it is sown in the winter season, harvested in spring season. The ground is prepared by the end of October or beginning of November and crops are harvested between March and May. Crops are wheat, gram, linseed, rapeseed and mustard. Now we will study Zaid crops. It is a summer cropping season. That means it is a season or it is a crop which has been done during the summer season. Crops are rice, maize, groundnut, vegetables and some fruits also grows here. They are watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber. Now cash crops. The crops which are grown, harvest and sold for cash rather than for sustenance, means the crops that provides us money, particularly foreign as well as domestic money, they are called cash crops. Crops are tea, jute, cotton, sugarcane and coffee are cash crops. Now plantation crops. Now these crops are done once, or the plantation of these crops happen for once, but we get the crops for a number of years. These type of plantation crops happens at a large scale and such crops are called tree crops also. Crops which are grown here are tea, coffee and rubber. Thank you, children.